around this. Oh, like
For the winners category, your pairings for round 5 posted. Please check your pairings now, and after checking, please proceed to your respective board.
congratulations! Congratulations, everyone! Congratulations!
Okay. Ninth place, we have Berdina Gabriel Casiel. 8th place, took Yan Brian Priscil. 8th place. 7th place, Tokero Cecilia. And 16th place, Aki Declan Marco. Please, I would say, so these are the first match of the winners. Seventh place, Tokero